Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a new question, that is zigzag traversal. As the name suggests, we have to move in a zigzag manner. So here is an example, like firstly we are moving from left to right. In the next level, we move from right to left. Here also left to right. If we were having some other cases, then it have been like this: right to left, similarly left to right. If we write it down, it look like this: 1 3 2 4 5 6 7. So as we are doing level order traversal, so in my previous video also I suggested that whenever you do a level order traversal, you should use queue data structure. So here I'm gonna use queue data structure, and I need a data structure to store my results, to store the nodes present at every level. So this is going to be the data structure, and probably be vector. And I need a flag also, which is going to tell me like we need, for this level we need to traverse from left to right, or we need to travel from right to left. So currently I'm gonna make it true. So true will depict that we have to move from left to right, and false depict that we have to move from right to left. And we need to change the numbers, we need to change the boolean whenever we traverse through a particular level. Okay, let's start. So currently our flag is true, right? So firstly I put 1 in this one, so our flag is true. Yeah, so the child of 1 are 2 and 3. Now we don't need 1 because its work is done, so 1 is here. So currently my flag is true, right? So it means left to right. So I'll put it in a similar way. I'll put it here in left to right manner. Now I'll make this flag false, or you can say 0. Now it will it's depicting we need to move from right to left. So now let's check the childs of 2. So 2 have 4 and 5. Similarly for 3 it have 6 and 7. Now the work of 2 and 3 is done. See, 2 and 3 is done. So but now here flag shows that we need to move from right to left. So we will store these values in this data structure like this: 3 and 2, and then we change this flag to true. Now 4 5 6 7 all are leaf nodes. So 4 5 6 7. So here the flag shows as true, which means we have to move from left to right, right? So we'll store this value like this: 4 5 6 7. So here are values in a zigzag order. So let's move to the code portion. If the root is null, just return the empty vector. Now this is my data structure, right, where I'm storing the value. So I made a queue named as node queue, where I push the root. As I told you, I'm gonna push, so where I push the root, this one, and this is the boolean expression that I told you, right? And I set it to true. It means from left to right. So when the queue is empty, right, we will check the size of the queue and create a vector where we gonna store the current value in the queue. So suppose it's 1, 2 and 3. If here the value is, here the current value of queue is 1, so here the value is going to be, size is going to be 1, right? And here we created a vector with size 1, and we just took the front element that is going to be 1, okay, and we stored it in a node. So here we're gonna check that if is it left to right is true or not. So here shows that left to right is true, so it's going to be at I index, right? And here we put it the value. So now here node left is not null, right? It's 2. So we stored 2 in the queue. Currently the queue is empty because we already popped the 1 from here, but now we filled it with 2 and 3, right? And similarly for node right, its value is 3. So I push this 2 and 3. So now so here I'm changing the flag from true to false, just to tell this, like now we need to store from right to left, right? So now when we again move here, right, here now the value of the queue is 2. Now in the same manner we will follow the process again, right? And in the end I'll definitely get my result and I'll return this result. That's all guys, thank you so much.